you how to convert M to PX. So you can head on to pixelsconverter.com and click on to M to PX. This one is actually a converter. So if you have somewhere in your CSS or in your markup you have a 90 EM and you want to know what's the equivalent of that in PX because you maybe are designing something and you want to conform to really to be exact on that size. So you this one is you will have a 1440 px. If you want to convert here about just 20 em, so that would be 320 px. So what is the logic behind, sorry, what is the logic behind how do you convert this em to px value? Actually, px is a, of course, it's the absolute measurement, so it's always px. It's always, if that's 20, if this is the 320 px, this is always 320 px in tablet and PC on Mac and something like that. But if it's em, it's relative to the parent, the font size of the parent element. So okay, so to demo this quickly, I've created two boxes here. In this box, we'll use 18px font size, and in this box, let's use 1.7 em. So this box has 500px width, height, border, margin, padding, and 18px font size. So let's open that. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and let's open that live server here. So that's pretty it. So this one, we are using 18px right here, this size. We are using 18px. I'm just opening right here. Okay, so that's 18px here, this p element. And on this p element, we are using 1.75 em. So what's this equivalent to px? So you want to know exactly what you want to use here. Maybe you just want a picture here that will really conform to this size. You just want to be exact. You don't want to use em. So what you can do to get the px equivalent is you just have to multiply it with the value of its parent element. So this parent element is a, let's see here. Uh, this parent element has a font size of 18px. 18px times 1.7 em, that is the equivalent of this one. That is equivalent of this em measurement. So let's take a look. Our font size is a 18px. So we use the base value here of 18px. And our em value is 1.7. So 1.7, that is 30.50, that's for 30.6 px. So this would be 30.6 px. You can see just here a 1.75, 1.7 em, but the absolute value, the real value of it is 30.59 or 30.6 px. So that's it. You just have to multiply. So you want to be exact. If you want to be exact, you don't want to use em and you want to have the absolute px value of that, that would be this em multiplied by the size or the font size of its parent element, the nearest parent element of it. So that's pretty it. Let's say you have two em. So the px equivalent of that would be 36. 2 times 18 would be 36. If you have 1.5 here, that's 27px. So that's how you convert em to px. You just have to multiply it to the font size of the parent element. So I hope you learned something new today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. This is Lester. Bye.